Bitcoin right now is flashing the signal we've been waiting for. It is flashing the vertical blue buy now signal confirmation on the 1 day time frame. Bitcoin's currently at $66,653 and it is 2:30 a.m. It's April 23rd. We got some big things going on, folks, because that 1 day buy now that's flashing as we speak was the same one that kind of put the nail in the coffin as far as the bottom on the January correction. Back January 28th is when it flashed last time. As you can see here too, if we take a look, we had the vertical green prepare to buy soon, which actually pinpoint nipped the bottom both times. Back here, hit the bottom when Bitcoin hit 38,800, and then it hit the bottom when Bitcoin hit like 59,800. The vertical blue buy now confirmation was like, all right, we're done going down. We're now heading into an uptrend, but it takes some time to work out. So if we match up the fractal here to where we're at now, it would look like this. So basically how this would look is we would come down maybe to 66K. If anything, we don't want to break anything lower than 65K. We don't want to see anything lower than that we can hit it on a wick, but if we start closing daily bodies of the candles below that level, we're doing something different. So Bitcoin really can't go lower than a good 2.5% here. So I foresee, us kind of waddling, going sideways like this. If we I match it up with the vertical blue buy now signal here. So if we take a look like this, and then we match that up to a T here, it would look like this. So now I'm going to hide the signal and we'll hide everything besides that fractal. So basically it would be like, we pop up to 70K, come back down 67K, just kind of go sideways until May 5th till like the first week of May. And then all of a sudden we'd start to skyrocket and we'd start to break out of this, bull flag here around the first week of May. And we would hit first target 83.6K. And what's crazy is, the snakes, that was one of the targets. Like if this starts to go like that, the orange is going to come in line with that right there. Maybe we overshoot, go to 86K. If we take a look at like a 2618 extension or a 1618 extension here, that brings us up to that level as well too. So I would say our first target after breaking out of this bull flag is going to be like 83K to 86K. And then we might get hung up for a little bit until the tail end of May, where we start to shoot for our next target. And what's crazy is this actually takes us out to the 2618 extension around 100K. And then we kind of have a lot of wickening action there. And then what this is saying is by the first week of June, a top around 115K and a stall out. Maybe we just go like sideways for a bit, and then, or that could be the macro top. We're going to have to gauge it when the time comes. That's why you're going to want to subscribe. But this is what I'm foreseeing as far as the Bitcoin action that's going to play out here for the next few months. But what I wanted to share was that buy now signal that's flashing as we speak. What's going to be important is in 17 hours and 25 minutes, we need to see this candle body, the candle close with this vertical blue buy now signal. Because if we pull down, if we go down below 66K and go to like 65,500, that vertical blue buy now signal will go away. So we need to stay kind of relatively where we're at for Bitcoin so it can confirm this candle right here. And in the Discord, you can see that right here, we already got the 1 day buy now signal. So we got the 1 day buy now, but this is not based off the candle close. So we need to see this in that amount of time. I think it was about like 17 hours. We need to see that remain. And I will keep you updated in this Bitcoin signals channel in the Discord if it confirms in that amount of time at the end of this daily candle close. So you're going to want to join the Discord. The Bitcoin signals are free in there for anybody who joins, but all these other signals that you see, all these altcoins and everything, that comes with a premium plan that you can look to see the plans here in the Unlock All Signals channel. And you can see what coins are there as well too. We got a ton of coins. Now let's go to the drivers, because the pump dump chart on the left side, we're sitting at a point that if we break below, a tiny bit below, then we're ready to send it up in a big way. And we have that blue now coming up to kiss and get above the pink. And this on the daily chart, we have that TSI crossing down right now. So this candle closed today. The daily candle is going to be extremely important. And we're going to get so much insight for the next few months here based off of today's candle. So it's going to be extremely important that we break below. We don't see us break back above this trend line like that, we want to see this break down below the CMA ribbon and the PSAR. Then on the right side, we have the 1 day sell now on the alt season pulse chart, which is exactly what we want to see. When both these charts go down, cryptos go up. On the left side, the pump dump chart, when that goes down, cryptos go up. And on the right side, the alt season pulse chart, when that goes down, it's risk on for altcoins. It's a good time to be in altcoins. So when you see both of them go down, it's a hella good time to be in altcoins. So now let's throw on the snakes for the alt season pulse chart. So with that 1 day sell now that's coming in and this trend line coming up like this, if we can just break a hair down on both these charts, then we're ready to rattle, and it could happen quick. It could happen quick, like big time. Shout out to Upbit, the crypto exchange. I'm not getting paid to promo it, but big time. They announced their listing big time, and bang, shot up like 35% real quick. And I've been stuck in a big time levy long for I don't even know how long. I think since back here in March. So, and I managed to survive the big wickening, and this just made my mood 10x. So this is looking good. And basically, if we go back to the alt season pulse chart, if we can see that break that trend line right here, come down, and then it starts to melt through into the belly of the beast with the jaws gnashing into the candles like back here, man, it's on. And then on top of it, we see that 1 day TSI crossing down, multiple MACDs red. We're sitting at a good moment right now, a crazy moment. But that doesn't mean just like back here on this February, kind of we went down and then we had one little go up and then it was a straight meltdown. That's what I'm expecting. I'm not expecting it to be a straight shoot down. Expecting maybe a couple good days here, maybe a week of good here, and then maybe a pop up for the beginning of May, but then a meltdown by the end of the first week of May, in my opinion. So, and then it's going to be immense time. We fell down so much for the altcoins here on that wickening, and with that fractal I was showing based off of the previous bull market and just the timing of it, like, and just where we're at in the cycle, and based off of previous cycles, like when altcoins go and they go 10x, 20x, I mean, it's not like it takes a year for that to happen. It's super quick. And it's just a matter of getting out when the time comes. And see, this is where we're at let me hide all the indicator stuff and let me just show you based off of, the previous cycle, it matches up to a T. Where we're at right now is here, and it should be a pop up. We wick back down, but then we go sideways, and then bang, we just go. And we go to a crazy like 5x in the altcoins, in the total crypto market cap of it, total 3. It's super quick. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you as far as how fast your leg can change in this shit. And this is what it's looking like to me. So it's just a matter of, you're in crypto right now. If you're watching this video, it's just a matter of getting out when the time comes. And personally, myself and the Stargate VIPs will be getting out when that 10 day sell now flashes, because on the altcoins, because if you look right here, I mean, 10 day buy now back March 2019, they picked the bottom. We have the sell now May of 2021 at the top, and then bang, December 2021 at the top. And then like right here, January 2023, nitpick the bottom. We have sell warnings right now. I'm getting out when it's a sell now. So that's why I know that we got to start to rip up real fast here, because if we just hang out here for a while, we're going to see that sell now flash, and that would be out of the realms of the ordinary here. And even looking at, it's just matching up picture perfect to a T, the symmetry here. So I'm waiting for a 10 day sell now to get out of all the altcoins, and whatever the altcoins do as far as reaching out to their price projections at that point is when I'll be selling. Because once the collective of all the altcoins flash a sell and the momentum starts to roll over, you just got to get out. And that's what I'm going to be doing, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But as far as the drivers, the crypto drivers, looking amazing. As far as the macro drivers, like the bond yields, 12-hour, we're looking at this. It's starting to roll over. The 1 day chart, if we look here, starting to cross down. The dollar in the middle, 12-hour chart, we got that sell now. I am expecting maybe one more little kind of pop up, maybe. But in the overall scheme of things, the momentum's down now. If we look at the 1 day chart, we just need to see that TSI cross down. But seeing that 12-hour sell now signal, very solid. Now looking at the stock market, 1 day buy warnings are here. If we see that 1 day buy now, it's likely the bottom. And we hit the 2618 breakdown extension. When you break a 786, usually you target the 2618. If we do extend lower, we have the 4236 right in line with the 1 day 200 moving average. So we're close to bottoming out there as well too. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. Like the macro drivers, the crypto drivers, all kind of aligning. The stars are aligning there. Bitcoin stars are aligning right now with that vertical blue buy now signal, with the fractal as well too. We look at the altcoin market cap fractal right on schedule. And yeah, I think we're headed into some amazing times for crypto here. So you're going to want to subscribe to the notification bell, leave a like and a comment, share this with every crypto holder you know, because it's not time to check out. It's time to check in, baby. So join the Discord. I'll let you guys know in the Bitcoin signal channel if that buy now signal confirms in about 17 hours from now. And I'll see you guys in the Discord and in the next video.